On your right, if you look at there, there's like a pond, and we will cross over the Wainisavulevu Dam. Okay, so we're on the depot. We will go back up the road, turn right through the security gates, and we will travel across the Wainisavulevu Dam. Now this cross-section drawing that you have, we are up here at the Wainisavulevu Dam and Reservoir, and then it goes underground into Wailoa Power Station. And I believe you came from Suva, you would have come past the Wailoa Power Station. And we're going further up inland, and we are standing here around about 700 and probably 54 meters above sea level. We'll be traveling all the way up to 900 something. So the point that we will go past on the top on the way to Wainisavulevu, there's a few masts there. That's the second highest point besides Mount Victoria.